Hey Bells, it's that Jessie. I hope you're all doing super well today. Now I've got a really exciting video today because it is a YumeTwins unboxing video. Eek. Now if you don't know what YumeTwins is, oh my gosh, let me tell you because you are missing out. YumeTwins is a monthly subscription box that's full of like loads of cutesy and kawaii and just Japanese items, and they're all in these little themed boxes and they are adorable. I see them all the time all over YouTube and Instagram and they're just everywhere. And they are so cute. Now the lovely people at YumeTwins contacted me asking me if I would love to review a box, and because I am no fool and because I absolutely love cute things, I of course said yes. They sent me this box which I have just received, and because I am impatient I am filming this review right now. This is the September box that they have sent me, and I believe it's a travel one, which is really cute because I'm excited to see what kind of like travel essentials there are in here, because they're going to be adorable. Let's have a look at the box. At the front it just says YumeTwins with the cute purple and green slash like turquoise combination. So that is adorable. I have not looked in this once. I have been patient. I mean, not that patient because I've literally just got it and I'm filming. But I haven't looked, which is okay. That looks so cute. So here is the little leaflet that comes in. Now I'm pretty sure this has like all the items in it. It explains them a bit, so I'm not going to dive into this straight away because I want to see all the surprises. But here we can see that it says weekend getaway. I'm trying to like block the sun. I'm filming at like 5, so the sun is a peeping, but it's really cute. You've got, I believe, is it Kirby? I thought Kirby was driving the plane, but he's not. I don't know why I thought that, but it's just a weekend getaway one, and that is the theme of this box. Just seen the first item. Now I saw this on their Facebook and on their Instagram that this item will be in every box, so I'm super excited. So it is this little adorable plushie backpack thing. Now I love this. This is a part of the, oh, I'm going to really horrifically say this now, aren't I? I should have Google translated it before. Oh well, we're gonna commit. It's Sumiku Gurashi. Yeah. If I show you them, you'll know what I mean. It's these little fellas. So it's like a little bag, but you can take it off and it can just be a plush. We love diversity here. Let's open this tum tum, see what kind of storage space we got to work with. Oh, okay. Yeah, decent. I can see that's like cute for a little weekend getaway, just having on your back, and that works. Let's have a peek in the booklet and see what it says. So it's the Sumiku Gurashi plushie bag. Did I ruin it? Are you all mad at me? Probably. Travel in style with this Sumiku Gurashi. Please stop making me say it. Plushie bag, super soft with enough space to carry your valuables. This bag is just what you need for your weekend getaway. The shoulder belt is adjustable and even removable, so you can transform this bag into a normal plushie when you're back home. Adorable, yes please. So for the first item, I think this is pretty good. We're going to dive in for the next one, and it is this. What is it? So it looks like it's a Rilakkuma keyring, I think, and it's French. That's cute. Let's have a look before we dive into the box. It's a Rilakkuma Bonjour hanger. Bonjour, this multifunctional hanger features a French version of your favourite bear, Rilakkuma, or Kiriatori. I'm sorry, my weaviness is failing me. Use this hanger as a keychain, hang it on your phone case or even on a zipper. Which one did you get? Okay, hold on just a second. I love these hanger keychains, not the ones with the clips or the weird circle hangy things to put. No, I like the hangy fabric ones because I hang them on my phone case all the time. So at the moment I've got a Hello Kitty which has been on my phone for about 2 years, maybe more, but very excited to open this up because I'm on to my last one. So this is the box. I think it's really cute that it's French because the only place I ever go on holiday is Disneyland Paris. That's just the leaflet that comes in the box, and let's have a look. Who are we gonna get? Ice Cream Man, you ruined it! There we are, we've got the Rilakkuma on an aeroplane, which is adorable. Right, the next one. Okay, this is something else I saw on Facebook that was a guarantee in every box, and it is this little Shiba Inu luggage tag. Now that is adorable because I don't have any luggage tags. I barely go away, but when I do, I don't have any cute accessories. I wonder what it says though. Oh wait, I could probably read the booklet and it'll tell me. Right, so in the book it says Shiba luggage tag. Sport your bag immediately with this luggage tag featuring the iconic Japanese Shiba dog. These rubber luggage tags include cards to write down your information and come with 3 adorable designs with the phrases I love Japan, I love cherry blossoms and I heart Tokyo. Wait, so which one do I have? Oh, I've got the I heart Japan one. I do heart Japan. I do. Never been, but I heart it. Right, so on to the next one. We have got this. I'm a little bit confused. I don't know what he is, but we shall find out in a minute, I guess. It looks like a bit of a pencil case wash bag thing. This is a kawaii character reversible pouch. Super cute and super practical. This kawaii character pouch comes in 8 different versions, including My Melody, Rilakkuma, Sumiko Garashi, I wish they'd stop making me say that, and more. Easily reverse the pouch to reveal a different design. Use it as a wallet, to carry your toiletries, makeup, stationery. The options are endless. Ooh, so it's versatile, we like that. So I'm not quite sure who this is. It looks like it's Doraemon. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. He's kind of cute though. He's a bit wacky. He's the epitome of a Japanese character, I think. So that's quite cool that you can use it as like anything. So I guess for traveling that's like super useful because the more uses something has, the better. Right, so we're actually on to the last item, which is super exciting. So it is. It's My Melody. Okay, I love My Melody. I wish I was wearing my Melody headband because that would make this a whole lot cuter. But it's My Melody. We'll quickly find out what it is before I actually rip over the packaging to look at it. Sanrio travel bottle set. Aren't these the cutest travel bottles ever? In your box comes a Hello Kitty or a My Melody set of 2. Use these 30ml bottles to bring shampoo, lotion, shower gel with you to make your trip even more kawaii. Those are the words I like to hear. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, so they're little My Melody travel bottles to put all your like liquids in, I guess. I don't know if that's focusing. I've never used travel bottles in my life because I do not travel much, especially not by planes, but these are so cute. Leeds is My Melody and the bottle just gets even cuter. These might be my favourite things from the whole box. That's such a clever idea to put in a travel themed box because I know like myself there'll be many others that buy things because they are cute and it works out a little bit more expensive, but we do it anyway just so that our lives are a little bit cuter and a little bit happier. So I'm very pleased to have these so that in the future I don't have to get ugly ones or I don't have to spend a fortune to get them because I have some right here. Just have a quick flick through the book before I end this video. So you get quite a few little bits in here. So this is the page that has all the info on it about all the items you get. Then you've got some more info, a photo contest, fan art, Yumi prize. You've got loads of stuff in here and plus that is really sweet as well. Thank you so much to YumeTwins for sending me this box to review. I have loved it, my honest opinion. It is fab. Now I'm going to leave all the details down below if you want to subscribe to this kawaii adorable subscription box. There's all the information on the website. I believe the boxes range around $35, but all the information will be on the website and I'll try to leave as much as I can in the description. Also, the lovely people at YumeTwins has also given me an affiliate link, which means that if you sign up using my link I get a slight commission. I think that's what you call it, but if not, just go have a look at them because they're really cute. You can scroll through past boxes, you can just look at everything that they do. They're also on Facebook, they're on Instagram. You'll find it all on their website. But as I said, YumeTwins is just a kawaii adorable monthly subscription box that you can buy one box, you can buy several boxes, you can subscribe for the whole year. You can do it how you want and it is super adorable. So thank you YumeTwins for letting me have this box to review. I have thoroughly enjoyed it. and all the stuff is adorable, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this super kawaii video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!